My name is Eugene Liu. Let me introduce the Ring Floodlight Camera Pro is Ring's most advanced outdoor security camera. It has 1080p HDR video and color night vision. It also has a 2000 lumens LED floodlight that can be turned on manually or automatically when motion is detected. The camera has a 140-degree horizontal and 80-degree vertical field of view. It also has a 3D motion detection feature. The Floodlight Cam Wired Pro uses the same mobile app. The Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro has several advanced features including customizable motion zones, customizable privacy settings, color night vision, and an easy-to-use app. The camera has a built-in 110 dB security siren. The Floodlight Cam Wired Pro is weather-resistant and can operate in temperatures from 20.5 degrees C to 48 degrees Celsius. It must be installed on a 4-inch round UL-listed weatherproof electrical box. It works with Alexa.